I've popped some seed down on that wall over there. Let's see who comes along. Now I'm going to show you what nature journaling is really about. The journal that I'm using in this video is my outdoor field journal. I also like to call it my messy journal. It's a journal that it doesn't really matter what I put down. It's more about the looking than the recording. So if you're interested in seeing more of my field drawings and learning a little bit more about how you can start to do this sort of work yourself, you'll find all of the information on my Patreon page. Tomorrow I'll be using some of the drawings from today to add some birds to my other journal. So I hope I'll see you in that video.